What's one thing kids and mastodons have in common? Masticators, otherwise known as teeth. We all have them. Granted, some of us have more than others. Just ask the tooth fairy. Sometimes we take our teeth for granted. Maybe it's because we get a practice set when we're young, or maybe it's because we get 32 permanent teeth and figure that's more than enough. But when we don't take care of our teeth, it's painful and bad for our whole body, not just our mouth. Did you know that kids miss 51 million hours of school each year because of issues with their teeth? 51 million hours! It only takes about 75 hours to fly to the moon. You could travel to the moon 680,000 times with all that missed school. Obviously, you need to take care of your teeth. They help you eat delicious food, tell funny jokes, and express yourself. But if your teeth hurt, it's hard to eat things like apples, talk to your friends, and even learn during school. So how can kids take care of their masticators? That's masticators, not mastodons. We can listen to the master of the masticators, Chief Science Officer Dr. Jed Jacobson.
Hey kids, proper diet and good oral hygiene are important. Well, what does that mean? Well, that means less pop, more water, fewer sweets, and more fruits and veggies. And very importantly, brushing twice a day for 2 minutes each time. It's important to know that you're going to grow and your dental needs are going to change. So here are some tips for kids of all ages. Infants to babies.
Moms and dads can take care of their baby's teeth before they even get any. They can start by lightly rubbing their baby's gums with a damp washcloth after each feeding. This will keep the gums healthy and prepare them for when teeth start to grow in. Here's another tip. Babies should not drink bottles in bed. The sugar from the juice and milk mixes with spit and creates acid. That acid sits in the baby's mouth overnight and can lead to cavities. If a baby must have a bottle at night, fill it with water. Also, kids should see a dentist by the time they turn 1, so they can get to know their dentist and start to feel at home, instead of having their first visit be because of an emergency. Kids may feel scared if they think they only go to the dentist for emergencies and they may not want to go back.
Toddlers to preschool.
At this age, kids like to do what their parents do, so it's important to start them off right by helping them brush and floss. Kids should use a soft, kid-sized toothbrush and a small amount of toothpaste, about the size of a pea. And hey parents, stop sharing silverware and drinking glasses with your kids. It's gross!
Ew!
And spreads the germs and bacteria that can make kids sick and give them cavities.
Elementary school.
By now, kids should be taking care of their teeth without a lot of help from their parents. So besides just eating healthy, brushing twice a day, and flossing, it's really important that kids who play sports wear mouth guards. If you lose one of your 32 permanent teeth, another one won't grow back in its place. And finally, remember the 2x2 rule. Brush for 2 minutes twice a day. Your masticators will thank you.